How to fix Roblox Error Code 533? Your privacy settings prevent you from joining this server. First step, open Roblox. Click the three dot icon. Click it. Click settings. Click the privacy and content restriction settings. Click it. Click visibility and private servers. Click private servers. And depends on you, you can set it as everyone or else friends. It depends on you. Set it everyone or friends. And the next step, click communication settings. Make sure the settings do not restrict the game you are trying to join. After, move on with next step, verify your age. For this, click the account settings and you need to verify your age. Confirm your date of birth. Then move on with next step. Open security settings. In the security settings, you need to scroll down. Click log out of all other section. Click log out. Then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text. Percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder. Click it. Click download folder. Delete the files inside the download folder. Come back. Open local storage folder. Delete the files inside the local storage. Come back. Click log folder. Delete the files and folder inside the log folder. Then close it and move on with next step. Search Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down and search for Roblox. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means you need to click allow another app in the bottom side. Click it. Click browse and add the Roblox application. Click add in the bottom side and click OK in the bottom side and restart your device.